leaving?
Yeah, first of all, I want to take this opportunity to say pole to the entire ODM fraternity, to the family of the late Raila Odinga, our leader and our father. I want to also apologize to the members of ODM and the country in general for the delay in the morning, because this news was broken by other media before we could do that. We had to wait for the head of state to make that announcement officially, because Raila Odinga was not just a leader of ODM, he was a statesman and a Pan-Africanist, and the entire country is concerned about his welfare. His elder brother, the Honorable Oburu Odinga, was up country, and we had to wait for him to come to Nairobi so that that announcement could be made in the presence of the family. So it was not intentional. It is just something that happened very unexpectedly, because if you talk to many of these leaders in ODM and those who knew Mzee, some of us spoke to him as late as yesterday and he was okay. So we really didn't expect this, but we are taking it in stride as a leader.